Hello everyone, my name is Karymsakova Perizat and I'm a fourth year student of Mathematics and Statistics. I completed my pregraduational practice at the university as a teaching assistant. I met with my supervisor during the first week of my internship. My mentor was a candidate of science and one of the respected employees of our university, Savlet Barambayeva. She works in the field of mathematics. And this semester, she lectured to students on the Calculus 2 and Analytic Geometry courses, and taught some groups of practical classes. She assigned me to review the topics of the Calculus 2 course. So I read the syllabus and reviewed the lessons for this course. For this, I used the books Calculus by Thomas and Calculus by James Stewart. And the next task I did is communication with students. In order to facilitate communication with students, we opened a group on Telegram, and all students registered in this group. And if there is new information on the course, it was posted here, or students asked their questions about the lesson here. Then one of the tasks assigned to me was to take attendance from students every lesson. In addition, I was busy bringing various things needed for studying, such as chalk, markers, iris from the dean's office before the lesson began. In short, I was engaged class management. Then I started preparing for practical classes. For this, I used a book Calculus by Thomas, and I sent the problems I solved in practice to my mentor, and updated the educational materials according to the mentor's suggestions. After that, I conducted practical classes. For that, I used pre-prepared educational materials. It was very difficult to teach students at first, but after a while it became easier. I really liked teaching students in practice because we solved problems and explained them. And I really liked working with mathematical problems. The next task I performed was preparation of educational materials. Teacher Saulet explained to me what tasks the quiz and homeworks consisted, and how to do it, and give me these tasks to prepare. I prepared this task and had them checked by Saulet Burambayeva, who made some changes. Then we took quiz and homeworks from the students. I served as proctoring exam. I helped administer the quiz and midterm exams for this course, and acted as a proctor supervising students during the exams to ensure academic integrity. Then I was busy checking the homework and tests given to the students, and I graded these works and sent their grades to teacher Saulet and to the students. And I answered all the students' questions on these tasks myself. I also learned to work with different platforms. For example, I know how to work with the Moodle platform. I mainly worked on uploading homeworks and books to Moodle, and I put to the students' grades on Google Drive. I also held office hours. During the office hours, I answered all the students' questions. We were engaged in solving complex problems, discussing topics, and also asked students about their grades. I tried to answer all the students' questions. I was also working as a coordinator between the supervisor and the students. This job includes organizing meetings, managing schedules, and ensuring students understand the professor's expectations and academic goals. At the end of the semester, I analyzed the entire course. I told the teachers what tasks were difficult and easy for students. Using the scores of all tasks, I posted a preliminary final score. In conclusion, I would like to say that I am glad that I had the opportunity to work as a teaching assistant.